In this video, I'm about to show you a Socrative tutorial for students. First, open the Socrative app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, you'll need to enter the room name provided by your teacher. This is important for joining your specific classroom. After entering the room name, tap on Join to connect to the classroom. Now, you will be prompted to enter your name. This step helps your teacher identify your responses. After entering your name, tap on Done. Then select your preferred option according to the activity type. This could include quizzes, exit tickets, or quick questions. Once you are set up, you will see the question along with their explanations. Read this carefully to understand what is being asked. After reviewing the information, tap on OK to move on to the questions. Now you can enter your answer. Take your time to think through each question and ensure your responses are accurate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.